This is a beautiful sister, Laminatou Sankor, the one and only, the original, no duplicates. Any other Laminatou na carbon copy. You, my brother, when they look me, you, my sister, when they look me, wanna feel free to share this video. My brothers and my sisters, they wanna all know say Laminatou Sankor belong to an organization called the Oscars. Now they come up with another Oscar night. Last Saturday in September. We all know what we're capable of doing the Oscars. Last Saturday in September, then on September 26th, we they come out with Oscar nights na DMV metropolitan area. We are trendsetters. We they do the orders they follow. Entrance fee na $100 no more. Everybody na petrol. Everybody na petrol. And guess what? Na sit down dinner. You never for what he say, you close long, may they no go mask you clothes, or may they no mask your shoes. No. Royal treatment now they give una. Una de sit down. We can serve una food them. Where you want for drink, any kind of warm you can think of. Because water, soda, juice go then at the table. And some small wine they go then at the table. But if you need any other extra, go na the bar. Open bar. When I know waiting with the Oscars, waiting we can do. When I know Laminatou Sankor, I know sabi lie. Anything we come on me months, alala. So when say I don't tell una so. My brothers and my sisters, una try get una tickets. The ticket then they can come out very soon. Now $100 no more. Everybody na petrol. Sit down dinner. Plenty to eat, plenty to drink. Formal attire. No jeans allowed. Yes. Because we are the Oscars. You know, Hollywood and Kifisa that they no must have do Oscar night. We don't do it last year. I'm sure they see what we do. So this year back again, we don't ready for set another goal. And guess what? This one now, it will go down again na Guinness Book of Record. Because we are the Oscars. We are trendsetters. We know they sell food giuna. Roast beef, pepper soup, gizzard, fall foods, everything are free of charge. Plenty to eat, plenty to drink. Open bar. You don't need for carry money go. If you go save you gas, don't go down. Just come meet me. Or you go meet the president, Mr. Ishmael Koroma. Or you meet Eda Bundu Koroma. Or you can meet any of the members there. You can meet Sarah Mohammed. You can meet Baluspa. You can meet Adama Kamara, Adama Mansaye. Anyone panda you can meet them. Ramatu Sise, you can meet them and talk to them. Any of the members there. Guess what? They will give money for buy gas. Because we are the Oscars. We are trendsetters. And make I tell you wanting this noble organization. We don't spread with wings and with hands. Now with a salon. FOP. This coming December 24, the Oscar organization will they be into Mani Hotel. Now Fliton. The tickets, you know, there. Now $100 no more. Plenty to eat, plenty to drink, sit down dinner. You want rub skin with Laminatou Sankor and others? You wonder we all dance, no we hop na ground, buy you tickets. We they sell tickets na entrance. But if not me, I would don't buy me tickets na make a Ola. And for one way they come out Europe and America, when they go salon this December, where you pay for your tickets, you no need for all your tickets now you earn. All you need for do just pay and give you your full name. When you gonna get, you give your name, then they ask who that you buy the tickets to. Because you name the day beside the person where you buy the tickets from. My brothers and my sisters, we all see waiting we don't do the Oscars. When you buy your tickets $100, we they give $80 back to the nation. Before we go salon, we see we give 1,000 bags na DMV. We come out again, we go salon. I go places then where I know one day go. The Oscar organization. We reach places. We go all the way to the provinces. Yes. And guess what? They smile and they will put on them people they need their face. When then they say God bless you. I want to get this clear. Not to the Oscar organization, no more God they bless. As a matter of fact, one way they support we, God they bless you now more. Because guess what? Now they make it possible. Yes. One way they go support we, now they make them possible. So you, me brother, where they look me, you, me sister, where they look me, una make sure say una get una tickets then ready. Would they begin the Oscar night first na ya, September 26 na Maryland na ya, DMV metropolitan area. The tickets no there na $100, no more, plenty to eat, plenty to drink. We are trendsetters. We they do their orders, they follow. Yes. And then guess what? Like I tell you earlier on, we don't go salon, free tongue, Oscars, with a salon. So Oscar night, the salon December 24. The tickets not there na $100 no more. And my brothers and my sisters, they tell you one thing, when you buy your ticket $100, we give $80 back to the nation. That now waiting we they do for salon. We come for can support Mama Salon. We come for can support Wikonski. We organization is non-political. When I see what we been go last year December, we not involve no politicians. Pa we Oscar program them. We bag tour what we do. Not just we do one. We are non-political. Not to politics. We can for can help the nation. Mama Salon. Then we can help. So you, me brother, where they look me, you, me sister, where they look me. Una hurry up and get una tickets. Una where they salon the tickets and they can come just now. For we where the American na ya, the tickets and they can come just now back again for Oscar nights na America na ya. When na September 26 na Hampton Conference Center. For una where the Europe, una where the America, we go for travel December. Oscar night, December 24. Now been to Mani Hotel. Dress to kill, dress to impress. The tickets na $100 no more. Plenty to eat, plenty to drink. Una come we help with nation. We people they need we. We people they need we na that country day. They need we. We all get for come together and do this collectively. One person not able for one. Now we all come and support we nation. Mama Salon. The Oscar organization. We can for help the dunya. We can for help Salon. We can for help the nation. We can for help the world. Any side where the need arise, Oscar organization will stretch we handy. Na the dunya we can help. We na Kumbra organization. My brothers and my sisters, I wanna feel free to share this video, please. My sisters, I want to feel free to share this video. I want this video go viral. The Oscar organization will they come up with Oscar nights September 26 na America na ya, December 24 na Freetown, Sierra Leone. When I feel free to share this video, I love you guys. Mwah.